Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have in front of you a 12 by 16 inch canvas. Glasses have disappeared. Where did they go? Right there. And I have all my paint still out, and because of that I'm going to give myself permission to do something unusual, which is another bloom. And this looks nasty. It's unmixed. We're supposed to keep it unmixed to keep the air out, but it's only going to get used to tip anyway. So I didn't use nearly enough mango the last time I did this. So I'm going to use mango. And as much as I would like orange, I think what I really want to do is combine it with some gold. You know what? I am going to use some orange. It's a very corally orange. And I've got some paint to use up, which is a good color. It looks like I have just about enough of it to do what I want to do. And then count it as gone, because it's sat too long, I think. Quite thick. Maybe I should have added something to it. I guess we'll see. I've done a few blooms, but I haven't had the kind of ratio of success where I can lay any claim to any expertise at all. I don't have any. Which reminds me, everything reminds me, if you watch my videos longer, you might help my placement on YouTube, and I would appreciate having better placement. Because out of the 86,000 subscribers, hello, some of you, only a couple hundred at a time watch, which is too bad for me. But I am always running a drawing. You can win 3 of 15 paintings this month if you check it out on the end screens. This is a great color. I think I made this up with unicorn spit, but I'm not sure. It could have been a primary elements. Alright, so one more color and I'm good to go. This is a color shift from Folk Art. And I would normally use black, so I think I'm going to use some black and then top it up with my favorite cell activator, which happens to be the magenta from Golden. Works like a charm every time. It's too bad about this. Maybe I'll turn it over and something will come out. Alright, so let me look at this for a second and decide that there's no harm in adding a little more black paint on one end and maybe elsewhere, because the more paint I have, the more likely I am to be able to allow it to flow over it. I did create a catcher box after the last one dried up on me, which is actually something that might be able to be usable for collage. I should show you guys that. There, that's what my paint wound up looking like when it was left in the plastic container. Sealed up for like way too long. Alright, so that's gorgeous. This is not complete. Let's put a little more black in there. I got some cells happening. I'm not afraid to use my magenta again. Actually, I'm just going to use it right someplace else. Yeah, I suppose if I plug my hairdryer in, it might be better. I should make room. Pour things off if I need to. I kind of want to look at this and see if there's more I want to put in there. And of course you know me, so you know there is. I didn't get to use any of this turquoise in my last piece. I'm probably going to want more of that. I absolutely love this color shift. I should have shaken it, but I'm okay. And then bring the black back again. That is a carbon black from Golden. I believe it's a fluid. It might be Flow. Which means it could have been made for airbrush. Oh, that's gorgeous. Note to self, that purple with the magenta, purpley magenta from Color Shift Folk Art makes some beautiful cells. I don't really want to lose much of anything on this end, but I think there's just no choice. You have to lose something. Well, I say that, but then I remember that I have an edge catcher and I know how to use it. So why don't I just do that? I'm going to go as far that way as I can and as far as this way as I can. And maybe I can keep a lot more than I think I can. I just let things keep flowing back and forth until I get my mass of paint to go where I want. Not a slow tipper, you can see that. Never made any claim that I was. I love the black and the white with all those colors though, that's great. I flip it so that the paint moves toward the middle, and then I can move it all down to this end again. I have some great lacing. This particular edge catcher is too wide and always wants to flip open on one end for me. Alright, I'm doing it. All the way down. I'm going to flow it back again and pull it right around. Yes, I have some colors on there, but I did leave myself, yeah, note to self, less wide edge catcher next time. It's going to be a stripy day. You know what? I really want some more black there. And it does not matter to me that it is, I was going to say, it doesn't matter to me that it's not the regular paint. The latex. Come on. That's being a problem. Let's try another color black. And just flow that puppy right over there. We got some beautiful cells on the edge catcher. Let that flow all the way down that way. And then dump some of it off. Right over the end, hopefully. And bring it back again. No, we got some great cells. I can't even believe it. That's awesome. I want that color all the way back to that edge, so I'm just going to keep trying to manipulate it. Hopefully you can see some of that. Let's see if I'm covered. I am covered. That's awesome. This is heavy. I want the paint on my edge catcher to be removed and placed on this end of this canvas because I refuse to waste it. Not only that, it's very cool paint. And if necessary, I can use the edge catcher again to distribute it. In the meantime, my spatula will provide me with a pretty good means to spread it. Although my finger's working pretty good. There, not much wasted paint at all. And a very cool piece of artwork. Oh, I'm stoked! Hey, you guys, thanks for joining me. And if you want to be of assistance to me, you can make a contribution of $10 or more and be in for that those 3 paintings in this month's drawing that you can see the prizes for on the end screens of any video. You could shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you. That would be awesome. Oh, I love this. This is, oh, this might be my favorite. I know there's a lot of negative space there. And I do have a little spot on this end that I can cover pretty easily. I didn't try and go nuts making sure every single little thing was covered on the edges, but it's covered most sides. I've even got some pretty colors if I wanted to put them in somewhere. I'm going to throw that painty spatula in the bucket and count my lucky stars. I have paint pouring recipes underneath the video. I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links underneath the video. You can find the Amazon link underneath the video. And if you shop there at no added cost to you, it helps me out. I don't think I'm going to save that crib sheet. I think it's done and done for good. I just dipped it in the paint. Oh well, never mind. If your notifications are turned off, check them out. You might be able to turn them on. Thank you for subscribing. We have almost 86,000 subscribers. What am I supposed to tell you? I have Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. If you're looking for tomorrow's videos, you can look there. Also, you can look on the community board and on my channel, on my YouTube channel. And if you are there already, you might want to check out my playlists on created playlists. There are 13 genres, and there are also 10 lists of 100 and 1 being populated. I see that spot. I still want a torch, but if I do that, I don't want that box underneath. These cells are beautiful. Wow, that's so awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for all the contributions you've made in the past to help keep me painting. I really, really appreciate you so much, and the comments you leave me keep my morale up so nicely. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you guys so much, I swear. You keep me happy when things are sad, when times are weird at YouTube. I'm looking for a torch. I keep blathering on. This is so neat. I'm really happy. I'm gonna have to watch this video to see what I did. I think I did everything. Except for I didn't really stick any tools in there, and that's the interesting thing. But I got lacing, like magnificent lacing. So happy. I'm trying to remember Teespring clothing underneath the video has my all over print leggings and t-shirts. If you shop there, you help me out. If you're looking for more merch, I've been posting to fineartamericaandpixels.com since 2013, and if you go to a Facebook group called Expressionist Art Studio Totes and More, you'll find everything I posted there and many, many products. I completely love this. And I'm not easy. Alright, you guys. I know, I get tired of calling you guys, but I love you people. You rock. You make me so happy. I love that I get to do this for you. You guys inspire the heck out of me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a lot of white, but it's still awesome. Take care now. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Binge watch some for me, would you? Thank you so much for being here. Bye now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.